Dear students, in the last section we have seen what is risk, what is vulnerabilities, what is threats and events. In this section we have seen identifying the risk to an organization. How we will identify the risk. So it is the straightforward task. What we have to do is we have to identify the vulnerabilities and threats, and we have done. We have identified all the risks. So this figure shows the components of the organization risk assessment. In this there are three parts. First is identify vulnerabilities, second is identified threats, and third is existing countermeasures. Which countermeasures are available for the organization. Then we will identify the risk of the organization and the levels of the risk. So identifying vulnerabilities. When identifying the vulnerabilities, we have to locate all the entry points of the organization. Means we have to identify the entry points for the organization, for the information, for the computer system, for the network. So it may consist of to identify the internet connection, remote access points, connection to other organization, physical access facilities and user access points. So we have to identify all these things for vulnerabilities. Then identifying real threats. Threats assessment is a very detailed and in some cases difficult task. A targeted threat is a combination of known agent having known access with a known motivation performing a known event against a known target. Means here the attacker or the agent is the employee of the organization who want to harm the organization. And the identification of all the targeted threats can be very time consuming and difficult. So an alternative to identify targeted threats is to assume a generic level of threats. Then examining countermeasures. As we have identified vulnerabilities and threats, now we have to examine the countermeasures. Which countermeasures are available in the organization? It may be a firewall, then antivirus software, access controls. Which access controls are provided? Two-factor authentication system, then biometrics, badges, card readers, guards, file access control, well-trained employees. So these are the countermeasures for identifying vulnerabilities and threats. So identifying risk means once the vulnerabilities and the threats and the countermeasures are identified, then we can identify the specific risk of the organization. So what is the question to identify the risk? The question is, given the identified access points, means identified vulnerabilities. Okay, given the identified access points means the vulnerabilities, then existing countermeasures, which countermeasures are available, which are the threats, then what is the risk for the organization. So we have to simply answer these three components, and we have identified all three: vulnerabilities, threats and countermeasures. So it is very easy to identify the risk. Okay, in the next section we will see measuring risk.